Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy coming to you from the pod shed. In this quick little tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Rode Smartlav Plus microphone with your Zoom H6 recorder. This will also work with the Zoom H5 or the Zoom H4n or another recorder, but I have the Zoom H6, one of my favorite little pieces of audio gear. And I'm going to show you how to use this Rode Smartlav Plus, another one of my favorites that I use all the time with my iPhone for Facebook Live, Instagram Live. So it's designed to go into your smartphone, but you can use it with the Zoom H6 or a regular audio device with a few little tricks here, and I'm about to show you that. So just FYI, if you look at the end of this cable, it has 3 black rings. That means, those 3 black rings means it's a TRRS, or a tip ring ring sleeve. Not that important, but just know that if you see the 3 rings, that it is intended for a smartphone or an iOS device, okay? Now, the whole trick to this little puzzle here is that you need to convert this TRRS into a TRS, meaning there's 2 rings, and that is what is required in order for it to work with the Zoom H6 or another recorder. Okay, so Rode makes this little adapter. It's called the SC3. Okay, I'll leave links to it below, but it's called the Rode SC3, and it's basically a female adapter for the TRRS. So you plug the female into the male of the TRS, and at the other end there is a male TRS. TRS 2 rings, okay? And if you want to know, 1 ring is just called a TS, tip sleeve, tip ring sleeve, or tip ring ring sleeve. So there's your trivia for the day. Now I'm going to show you what settings you need to make it work. All right, so here's the Zoom H6. Now on the top there is an XY microphone, stereo microphone, which is excellent, and it plugs right into the top here, okay? I don't have my glasses on, so bear with me. Okay, so we plug it in the top. If you look to the side here, right on the side here, there is a line in port, okay? You can see on the back, it says right in the back, XY stereo mic, line in, okay? So the line in is what you want to plug in the Rode Smartlav Plus with the adapter connected, with the SC3 adapter, okay? So I'm going to take the male end and plug it into that, okay? So we have that working now. Now here's the input, the gain levels for that is right here on this microphone. Now, we have it turned on, and what you want to do is go to the menu on the side. So we're going to click the menu once to show the menu. Now we're going to use the scroll bar here on the side. We're going to click down until you see the microphone, okay? The microphone is the input and output. So you're going to hit the plus, and then you're going to go down to plug in power, and you're going to hit. And I'm using the scroll wheel, and when I want to select, I just press in, okay? So now I'm going to press in, plug in power, and I'm going to turn that on, okay? First, I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to show you that we don't get any levels. So it's off. We're going to hit the menu to go back to the main thing. Hit the menu until you come to the main screen. Okay, so I'm going to go check, 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 no levels. Check, check, no levels. And in order to activate this microphone, you want to make sure that you press the LR, okay? So that is your levels control. Now if I speak into this, test 1 2, test 1 2. So you can see the levels are working because it's using this microphone, the XY mic, stereo mic. But as soon as I plug the lavalier microphone in, check 1 2, check 1 2, the levels no longer work, and it doesn't work when I do this. I'm going to go back to menu. I'm going to go to the input output and go to, I'm going to click once. I'm going to go to plug in power. Click that. I'm going to turn on plug in power. I'm going to hit the menu button on the side to exit out. 1, 2, 3, and I'm back to the main screen. And now, if I talk into the Rode Smartlav Plus, you can now see the levels are bouncing up and down. The microphone is working now, plugged into this. So check 1 2, check 1 2. You can see that it's working. Check 1 2. If I unplug, check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2. Check 1 2, check 1 2. It is working just fine. Check 1, 2. I have the level, currently I have the level set about 4, and it is peaking in right around between 12 and 6, which is where I like to go. So that is how you use the Rode Smartlav Plus with this. You plug it into the line in on the XY microphone up top. You go to the menu on the input output and you switch plug in power, you turn that to on. You go back, you engage it by hitting the LR. So that just means it's a stereo mic. You can see each channel has their own corresponding 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. LR is the top microphone. Once you engage that, once you have plug-in power on and you plug into this, you are good to go. And then you just make sure that you have this little adapter, the SC3 by Rode. And that is how you use the Rode Smartlav Plus with the Zoom H6. Cheers.